Oh, hi. We're at Kettles Park, and there's blackberries
So many.
all over. You could make wine.
Don't go too fast, it'll make the people sick.
Oh, right.
Somebody left a message here. What does it say? Lost Yeti.
We found some pawpaws on this trail. Indiana banana, except for we're in Michigan. That doesn't make sense.
Hey, can I take this home? This is a cute little tree right here. You got a shovel? Adorable.
Can I video them? Oh, okay.
Over here, see?
Oh, it's a
There's
waterfall.
a little baby waterfall.
Oh. Wonderful.
Look at those bright colors on that side.
This park is so pretty.
Park is what?
So pretty.
It is pretty.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Hi, Charity. Hi, Bert.
Right here in between in the trees.
A good spot.
See that?
Whoa.
I think it's a portal.
A portal to Narnia? Hi,
I don't
Miss
know,
Mila.
but I
How are
wanna
you
go.
today? Having fun?
Right?
Let's go, man.